Vegetarian lasagna. If you are vegetarian, you might miss eating the traditional lasagna with the bolognese sauce. In reality, you don't have to, as you can make yourself a really tasty meat-free vegetarian lasagna. And in this recipe we will show you how, step by step, from making your vegetarian bolognese sauce to assembling your vegetarian lasagna. Let's get started, shall we? Ingredients for the sauce: 2 cups leeks, 2 large garlic cloves, 3 carrots, 2 long zucchini, 1 cup brown, 6 sun-dried tomatoes, salt and pepper, high-quality oil like Novello, country basil sauce 2 jars, 400 ml tomato passata, 1 pot or cube vegetable stock, 500 ml water. Ingredients for the lasagna: lasagna sheets, the vegetarian sauce, bechamel 500 ml, salt and pepper, mozzarella cheese about 150 grams, parmesan about 50 grams. Sauce preparation: start by cutting your leeks if you are using fresh ones, and make sure your lentils are soaking if you are using dry, and then peel and cut your garlic too. Next, prepare your vegetables by cutting both the carrots and zucchini into small triangles or quarters. Then, cut the sun-dried tomatoes into small pieces. Now that the ingredients for your sauce are all ready, you can start making it. First, pour 5 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil in a large pot. Add the leeks and the garlic and leave to saute. After 5 minutes, add the carrots and zucchini, toss everything together, and leave to saute for another 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Now, add the sun-dried tomatoes followed by the drained lentils or your canned ones. Mix everything together and leave to saute for 15 minutes. It's now time to add both your country basil sauce and your passata. Then boil some water, and place your stock pot or cube into 500 ml of water so it melts. Once melted, add it to the sauce pot and mix well. Lasagna preparation: start by layering the vegetarian sauce at the bottom of your casserole. Then follow with layers of the lasagna sheets, approximately 4 per layer. Next, spread another layer of lasagna sauce and layer the mozzarella cheese you sliced. Follow with the bechamel. Then, sprinkle the parmesan. Repeat 1 or 2 more layers of everything, depending on how deep and large your casserole is. Bake in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. That's the result. Buon Appetito! Tips: I suggest you make extra, as this really tastes amazing the next day and the day after.